dinig yung agos ng tubig from Mahagnao Lake, I believe. We are now going to Burawin via Palali MacArthur Road. Pansin ko lang wala masyadong dumadaan dito kasi as you can see, may mga lumot, and kanina parang all sides ng road ay maraming lumot. Kagandahan dito guys, malamig and parang connected ka sa nature, as you can see, and you can hear the flow of the water. Anyway, uphill na naman. Overlooking Barangay San Vicente, MacArthur, Leyte, going to Mahagnao. We are now at Barangay Lanawan, MacArthur, Leyte. Grabe. Grabe. 17 gradient. Whew. Grabe uphill. We are now approaching at the Mahagnao Natural Park. This is actually our first time DNR Eco Lodge. Yan. For context, this is the aerial view of Mahagnao Natural Park, Lake Malagsum. Second largest lake. Tapos adian, Philippine duck, Gamaw, Kulimaw.